Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can apply for an e-checking account on the EastWest Bank's online banking service. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the EastWest mobile banking app on your device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this where you'll have to select between logging in and applying for an account. Now, since you're trying to apply for an e-checking account, tap on apply for an account and now select if you're a new customer or if you're already a customer to the bank and you're only trying to log in and then apply. So here I'm going to show you by tapping on I am a new customer. After doing this, if you have an invite link, code or a QR code, you can enter it here. Otherwise, tap on continue in order to skip. Now, after doing this, here's the product that you're trying to apply for, that is the e-checking account. Now choose whether you're trying to select Premier e-checking account or student e-checking account. Here I'm going to go for student e-checking account, so I'm just going to tap on it. And now what I have to do, the first step is to provide my email address. After providing in my email address over here, as you can see, I'm entering my email address. And after doing this, I can simply tap on the continue button. So here I'll have to confirm my email address, tap on yes, it's correct. And now what I have to do is I have to give in my mobile number. So for mobile number, type in your country code over here. Make sure that you're searching for the country that you're trying and then give in your mobile number. After doing that, tap on the continue button again. And after you tap on the continue button, wait for a certain while until you receive a verification code. So here I'm currently receiving a verification code. And after doing this, I'll have to choose my country of citizenship. So here I'm just going to choose my country of citizenship really quickly. So here I'm almost there, I've gone in, and then tap on the continue button. So here it's going to ask me if I have a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Tap on yes if you do, tap on no if you don't, and then tap on continue. So here, if you tap on no, it says here that unfortunately, they're unable to open my account digitally at this time. But then if you type in the location that's favorable to them, you'll probably be able to do so. So in this way, you can simply apply for the e-checking account. It's not a very hard to do thing. It's a very simple process. And I hope that this video has been able to take you through the steps and guide you through how you can go ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.